Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, Live Reviewed. My name is Dev and today we'll be doing an unboxing of a trimmer here. I actually wanted to try this out. This is one of the cheapest trimmers that you can buy on Amazon, but this is also the most reviewed one. So we'll see today if it actually worth the hype and given that it is so cheap. So let's dive in. So this is the NHT-1045 from Nova. So maximum precision, amazing, simple. Let me just show you around the box first. 0.25 mm precision trimming, washable. So the attachments are washable. Silver alloy steel blade. Okay, all kind of beard style, ergonomically designed, perfect style, made easy. Okay, look something like this. This is rechargeable, mind you, beard trimmer. And color options. So we got the black one, black and white. And create your own style. Different type of styles is given here. Okay, why is the MRP? Kindly charge it for 8 hours before initial use. Alright, so here we are, hair trimmer. Okay, so the MRP of this is listed as 995, but you can get this for around 385 from Amazon, and I think made in China. Okay, and that is one of the main reason that this sells such in huge quantity. So when I bought this, there were around 35,000 reviews of this alone. So yeah, a small quantity of people just reviewed. So you might imagine like this is sold in lakhs in quantities, millions in quantities. All right, so in the box we have a user manual, very cheap quality user manual, and warning, introduction. So at least there are no spelling mistakes. Usually in the Chinese products there's a lot of spelling mistakes, but yeah, I'm glad to see that they haven't done such thing here. Recharge indicator, travel pouch, ergonomically designed, rechargeable battery, 8 hours. Okay, so 8 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, so you charge it for 8 hours, you get a runtime of 30 minutes in here. Attachments are easily rinsable. Okay, yeah, I was telling you about spelling mistakes, and here is the one rinsable. Anyways, okay, no English classes this time, I promise. Okay, so yeah, zero trim look, stubble. Right, enough of that. Okay, so the battery comes out of the box. So this is actually a good thing. If the battery is damaged, you can easily change that battery and keep using this. So yeah, this is something which I like. And the cable here, pretty standard cable. Even the Philips and the MI use something similar like that, so that's nice. And we have the attachments 1, 2 and 3 plastic attachments, and I have to say these are pretty good. These are quite the quality of the plastic, and the finishing of this is pretty good. It's quite thick also. So yeah, this is surprising. And this small bottle of oil. So you use this to keep your the blade lubricated. And a cleaning brush, nothing else. Okay, and a very cheap quality plastic packet. Keep that aside. Okay, so here we have the actual trimmer, and let's take this and covered in plastic. So it has, okay, this is metallic finish, not metal, but looks really premium. Let me just take this out. So nice. This is the blade, looks nice. I think there's some coating here. And okay, this is how you put it. I really like this, that you can change it. So this is a very good touch, made in China. And let's see, does it turn on? Okay, it does. So definitely professional trimmer. So Nova is a very well-known company. They make equipment for you can see their equipment in many of the salons out there. And I would say, given, I think this is the LED light. Yeah, when you charge it, this will just glow. So given the cost, 385, this is really good. You can easily hold it easily on your hand. The size and everything is really nice. And let me just show you also how the attachments fit. So this is the first one. This clicks into place. Nice. The second one will be like this, and you have to just click this in place. And the third one goes like this. Yeah, so nice. I would say I am quite impressed. Given the price, I can see why this sells in such huge quantities. So yeah, if you have any question, put them in the comment section below and answer each and every one of you. Of course, I'll put the link of this product in the description section. You can go check that out from there if you want to. And I'll see you in the next one. Till next time, check out one of our latest videos. Hey, goodbye.